Live selling platforms allow sellers to sell cards and products on a live stream. Viewers of the live stream are able to bid on items in an auction style format. Live selling platforms are more interactive than typical online marketplaces, allowing viewers to ask questions and interact with the seller on the live stream. The main two live selling platforms are Whatnot and Fanatics Live. The pros of using live selling platforms to buy single sports cards are: you can earn a sign up bonus as a first time user. Live streams are a more interactive way of purchasing singles compared to an online marketplace, and live selling platforms can also assist in dispute resolution. The cons of purchasing singles from live selling platforms are: you may be more prone to impulse purchases as you're more invested in a live stream than an online auction. And Sellers on live selling platforms usually sell singles in individual lots, so it may take time for the single card you want to become available for purchase on the live stream.